I just pulled that out of the oven. Look at that. That's from the leftovers from the calzones, the dough and the cheese and whatever. All right, there's that slice of pie. Let's see how this is going to taste. Cooled off, so I'm not going to burn my mouth. Still hot. There's nothing like homemade pizza. But I'll tell you, homemade pies are so much better than fast food pies. Unless you live in New York or Connecticut or someplace where you can get like a real legit pie, homemade is far superior to like Papa John's or Pizza Hut or any of that. This thing is over the top. Mushrooms, sauce, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, little crushed red pepper. That's it. Look how nice that crust is. Look at that. I love homemade pizza. So I'm just going to use this plate because I don't want to dirty another plate. So here we go.